Hey everyone, Thomas here at MGM Classic Cars. This is a 1967 Ford Mustang. That's in really nice condition, guys. You'll be very proud of this car to take it to car shows and cruise nights and stuff like that. Please keep in mind, it's a driver quality car. It's not gonna win a 6-foot trophy, but it's gonna be very, very presentable. As you can see, the car looks completely stock. I'll share with you as we progress here in the video what's under the hood and stuff like that. But first I want to walk around the body. The paint on the car is really nice. I really don't see any dings, scratches, no dents or anything like that. Beautiful black vinyl top, trim, glass, chrome, taillights, lenses, all in really, really great shape. It's got a nice reflection. You know, white cars really don't show much reflection, but this one does. It's in really good shape, guys and gals, as you can see there. Let's check out the interior, and then we can progress. It's going to give away now something that I wanted to hold back a little bit in the video, but yes, it is a 4-speed manual trans, guys. Very desirable for these Mustangs. Nice door panels. Door sill plates have been replaced. Interior is in really good shape. Buckets, console. Rear seats are in great shape. Headliner, package tray. Factory gauges with the RPM gauge that has been installed there and added. Isn't that nice? Just a beautiful, simple little car. Now, let's check out what's under the hood. Nice, easy start. Functions, heat defrost work, everything functions. It's beautiful. So now this car has a replacement 289 in it. As you can see, front power disc there with the booster and the cylinder. You got your power steering, AC Delco battery, beautiful Ford Mustang valve covers. Very clean underneath the hood here. Very clean. Sounds good. Yeah, sounds great, by the way. There you have it, folks. Car shows 57,222 miles. Not sure if that's original or not. Well, this car is priced to sell, guys. Check out our price there at mgmclassiccars.com. Now, if you need financing, you will need 10% down. So in this case, you will need $3,000 down, okay? And you can roll in your taxes on the car. You can roll in your delivery as well. If you wanted upgrades, you can roll that in. If you wanted ceramic coating, you can roll that in. Those are all a little additional, obviously, sales tax. And if you wanted upgrades and ceramic coating, that's all additional to the price. So you can give me a call or text how much additional that would cost if interested. But the main thing is you can get a nice low payment. Our terms go up to 180 months to keep a really low payment. Rates start about 7-8%. And they increase as the term gets longer. So we only accept good credit. You know who you guys are. No offense by any means, but this is business. So check out my credit application at mgmclassiccars.com and fill that out. Prior of doing that, please call or text. Let's make sure this bad boy is still available. Okay, if you need delivery, you can call or text with your zip code. I'll get you a quote. My name is Thomas. If you got a pen handy, my number is 847-848-1850. Here is MGM Classic Cars. We have over 180 cars in stock in 2 showrooms here at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois. Again, my name is Thomas. This is MGM Classic Cars. My number again, call or text 847-848-1850. Have a great day.